Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the rear edge of the touchpad board off of the alignment pins and slide the front edge out of the notch on the top cover. Remove the touchpad board. Replacement. Tow the front edge of the touchpad board into the notch on the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Replace the three 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Insert the touchpad board ribbon cable into the touchpad board ZIF connector on the touchpad board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.